How to use Chime temporary card at Walmart. To make a payment at Walmart, using the Walmart app on your mobile device, you have the option to utilize the Chime temporary card. Follow the steps below for a convenient digital experience. 1. Download the Walmart app on your mobile device and launch it. 2. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Account tab, which can be found at the bottom of the screen, represented by a person icon. 3. Scroll down on the following screen and locate Payment Method from the list of options. Tap on it. 4. To add the Chime temporary card as a payment method, tap on the plus icon located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. 5. Enter the necessary details for your Chime temporary card, including the card number, CVV, and any other requested information. 6. When you're ready to make a purchase at Walmart, proceed to the checkout. 7. Open the Walmart app and utilize the built-in Walmart Pay feature to complete the payment process. 8. Scan the QR code displayed at the point of sale, POS, using the Walmart app on your mobile device. After successfully scanning the QR code, the payment will be processed using your Chime temporary card. Within the Walmart app, you will also find the receipt or invoice with a corresponding barcode. Simply present this digital receipt at the exit when leaving the store.